Welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video we are going to draw this little penguin, and it is for my cover page for December. So here's what you need. First of all, of course, your bullet journal. If you just use a piece of paper, that's also fine. Then we need the micron fine liner, a Stabilo pen, and some pencils. And then of course the zebra mild liner to color the penguin. And then I always have my rubber with me. So now let's get started. So first of all, whatever I draw, I break it down in shapes. So here is the oval, and I have another line on the bottom. Of course, it's not round, but basically that's how I get started. And then I draw the inside and the hands and the feet, of course. So when I have the basics right, I start to color. But first of all, I really want to have the shapes into the right order and have the feet right, and whatever you see, they are all just about geometric shapes. Yeah, and then I start drawing the title here. So once I'm finished, I start using the micron fine liner here, so to draw the lines. And once I have done that, I get rid of the rest of the pencil. To color the black areas, I use a Stabilo pen just because it's a little bit bolder, so I can easier draw whatever I want to fill here with color. And the small lines are still drawn with a micron fine liner. So just in case you don't want to draw this cute penguin yourself, you can always find it in our store. I have put the link under the video, so you can just print it out, and once you have done that, you can glue it into your journal, or you can use graphite paper to transfer it there. So whatever you choose, if you want to draw it yourself or if you go ahead and do it like that, it doesn't matter. It will definitely look more or less the same. And yeah, once you have done that, it should look like this one, and then you start the fun part. You start coloring the penguin. So here's not much color I can add, so yeah, I'm quickly done with it. And then I write here my Hello December with a little bit of calligraphy and also just some letters, so I have a little difference here. So now I'm done. That's my cover page for December. It's pretty simple. You can also give it some depth by drawing maybe some ice mountains in the background, something like that, or maybe you draw the one more penguins here, some smaller ones. So there are endless possibilities, so go ahead and do whatever you prefer. Yeah, that's from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I really hope you liked it, and give it maybe a thumb up, and also subscribe to our channel. And if so, yeah, I would love to see you in the next video. Until then, bye.